Good morning, everyone. This is going to be a little video players meeting. If you have any questions after this, you can post it or in the group chat there. But I want to go over a few things here as we're going to. We'll get these brackets up today, and you can start your matches, your rounds whenever you want to. Um, it's, you don't have to start. The official time start is tomorrow at 8 p.m. But like I said, you can play your matches ahead of time, early, anytime you want. You don't need to coordinate with your player or your opponent. You're simply going to play your round. The diagrams are out there, so you should be able to see that on the post. If not, I can send you a copy of them. Just message me on that, private message me on that. The most important thing here is when you play your round of 18, your 18 holes, you need to go on Facebook Live and you must share it to the JNT page. So you need to stream it live and you need to share it to the JNT page. That way it protects you and your integrity of what your score is and all that. No one can say you didn't get this score or that score. And also, we only have 10 players here, so it's going to be fun, but it's not a real big tournament. And other people who's not playing will get to see how this works, and next time we do it, it may be a better response. So, with that being said, we'll go into this and show a few of the rules off for the back here. And so we'll set up the first diagram, and any three balls, I got what, the 7, 8, 9 here. So we'll set those up like the diagram says, which is like that. Okay, so it's like that. Now, many people have asked me, is there a break? Do you break in this game or what? I said that depends on how you feel. That's up to you. The cue ball is always in the kitchen, always behind the head string. There is no ball in hand ever in this game. Okay? You start out on one stroke. So 1 is the lowest you can get. You're not starting out in 0. At any point, if you scratch, it's a 2-stroke penalty. That will be the only penalty if you scratch. So, any other penalty, you're simply just losing a stroke. Any other miss, you're simply just losing a stroke. If you knock balls off the table, they get spotted, you lose a stroke, obviously, but there's no foul. The only penalty is the scratch, and that's 2-stroke penalty. So, with that being said, so we'll start off here, and some of these racks, you will see balls out here where you actually can make a ball first. So you can, you won't always need to break, you can shoot sometimes. So, this particular one, I'm just going to break them up and see what happens here, because that's the way the diagram says, so. We'll give it a good whack here and see if I can get one in here. So, see there? I scratched. So, I'm automatically on 3. Because that's a 2-stroke penalty, so I go from 1 to 3. And the ball will go behind the line. It's always behind the line. You're not calling shots. So I'm on 3. Still on 3 because I made a ball. And I'm on 3 still because I have not missed. So the only thing I screwed up on was the break there. And I finished with 3. So I'm gonna, I should have me a piece of paper here, and I'll mark down the number 3 there, and then I will total this all up, all these 18 holes, and see what my score is. Now, looking at my matchup, if I'm playing a person and I get a handicap, then whatever I get, I'm going to minus the handicap off of. If there's not a handicap, then it does not come into play, it's just my total. So, you need to Facebook it live to JNT page, and when you're done your set, you need to message me with your total score so I know what your score is. That way I can find out the winner of the rounds. So that's pretty much it. Really easy. Nothing difficult. What you do on the break or the shot is up to you at the beginning of each set. You can go for a shot, or you can just break them loose and give up a stroke. Remember, you start at 1. If you break or shoot and run out, that's 1. 1's your best. There is a 6-stroke limit, meaning if you can't get it done in 6, you're not going to put 7, 8, 9 down. You just put 6 down. 6 is your limit. So, any questions? I've had a couple people ask me if I do a Calcutta. I'm not going to do a Calcutta, but if we get a bigger field, we definitely will do a Calcutta. So, any questions, let me know.